Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so they can talk. On your Ps4, sign into your PlayStation Network account and install any pending system updates. This avoids compatibility errors. Once done, enable Remote Play and set the Ps4 as your primary console so QR pairing is allowed. On your phone, open the PlayStation app and grant camera and network permissions. Make sure both devices are on the same local Wi-Fi to speed discovery. Now you're ready to generate or scan a QR code. You'll now create and use the QR code to link devices. On the Ps4, go to Settings, then Mobile App Connection Settings, and select Add Device to display a QR code on TV. Next, in the PlayStation app, pick Remote Play or Second Screen and choose the option to connect via QR. Point your phone's camera steadily at the TV until the app confirms the scan. If it times out, repeat the short process. Scans usually take 1 or 2 seconds when signal and lighting are good. Finish by confirming the app shows your Ps4 is connected and test Remote Play controls or second screen features right away so you catch issues early. If it doesn't connect, restart the router, Ps4, and phone, and make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, switching from 5 GHz to 2. 4 GHz can help range. Also check PlayStation network status and any router firewall rules. If QR scanning keeps failing, use the manual code option displayed on the Ps4 to pair instead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.